What's going on, y'all? This be your boy Scotty by Nature TV, and we're here for a brand new episode of Yes for the Mess, where we talk about celebrity gossip, hot topics, and all things reality TV based. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful Saturday. And I am doing the exact same, you guys. I am in Mississippi right now for the time being. Yes, I am here until Monday. I'm here from my high school homecoming. I saw a lot of my friends and some of my family members yesterday. I've been spending a lot of time with my brother and my mom, and I just been having me a good time. It doesn't change the fact that I'm ready to get on back to the ATL, but you know, it's just good to always be around friends and family and the people that you care about the most. Um, as I told you guys already, a lot of these I'll be doing content throughout my time here if I can, but a lot of it, all of it really will be faceless videos. It'll be podcast style videos pretty much. So it'll be videos just like this. Y'all won't, because I did not bring my camera with me and I did not bring my ring light with me. So I got to do the best thing for me. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to do my live review on Potomac tomorrow because I'm not sure if I'm going to be out or not. But if whenever I know, I will absolutely set it up so you guys can, get prepared for it. But what I will tell you guys is on Monday, the Whether You Like It or Not panel will be airing on Really BTV's platform. Busy will be sitting in my spot. So make sure you guys tune in to that. And of course, on Tuesday, I will be doing the Love and Hip Hop review where I'll be talking about the season finale of Love and Hip Hop. All right. So, with that being said, you guys, that's pretty much all that we got. So let's get into the mess, which involves Miss Karen Huger from the Real Housewives of Potomac. All right. Now, as you all already know, there was a story out that stated that Karen Huger said that the officers in her DUI arrest conducted an illegal search and seizure and demands evidence and body cam footage to be withheld from the trial. So that's what she was asking for. Well, there is an update on this particular case, and it states that the court denied her motion to dismiss the DUI case amid officers conducting an illegal search and seizure during her arrest. So let's get into the article itself, okay? And this is coming from the Jasmine Brain, as you can see. So it says that Karen Huger's DUI case will not be dismissed over illegal search and seizure claims. Following her arrest for a DUI in March, the Real Housewives of Potomac Star filed a motion in July for the case to be tossed out, accusing arresting officers of obtaining evidence through the alleged unlawful search and seizure. She asked the court to suppress statements and evidence alleging that she was never read her Miranda rights and instead incriminated herself during her custodial interrogation. 2 weeks after her filing, a judge denied her request, according to People. The court cited previous Supreme Court cases and determined that it was not required for Karen Huger to be read her Miranda rights during her roadside investigation. Then the judge added that Karen Huger's statements were not obtained as a result of custodial interrogation because some of her statements were made while emergency medical services personnel was treating the defendant for potential injuries. The defendant's statements made during this time were free and voluntary and were stated out loud while in the presence of police officers. The judge continued. Additionally, statements were made after the defendant was examined by EMS personnel and were not obtained as a result of custodial interrogation because the defendant's subsequent statements were made while the defendant was temporarily detained pursuant to a traffic stop. The defendant's statements were not suppressed, and the defendant's motion to suppress should not be denied. The court noted that 2 beers were found near the scene of Karen's Maserati. Her airbags had also been deployed. The judge added that officers additionally observed the driver of the vehicle, the defendant, unsteady on her feet, swaying, stumbling, and slurring her speech. Furthermore, the initial caller spoke to the officers on the scene and indicated that prior to the police arrival, the defendant appeared confused and the caller smelled alcohol while interacting with the defendant. What are your thoughts on the ruling? Um, and all I gotta say is this right here. Karen, they did not have to read your Miranda rights. You want to know why? Because soon as the caller said that they smelled alcohol on you, it was over with. Like it didn't really matter what you thought they should have did or what you felt they needed to do, honey. Once they smelled that alcohol, it was pretty much over with. Like it was really nothing that needed to be done because we already know you've been drinking. We already know that you slurring. We already know that you are confused. You in a daze. You in all of those things. So there's really nothing that needed to be done. Nothing else needed to be said or done about that said situation, because at the end of it all, honey, the alcohol smell was enough. Like once they smelled that alcohol on you, that's all they needed. And this is just one of your little games where you're trying to deflect and not take any accountability for what you did. And that's not a good look on you, Karen. You know what I mean? You're already a public figure and you are pretty much well loved by the housewives audience. But I think that the way you're handling this case is not going to do you any type of favors at all, Karen. And it's coming across like you're being delusional because you really think that you're supposed to get off on some kind of technicality or whatever. But no, you cannot do that simply because you were out here drinking and driving. Your car wasn't registered, all these other things. And you already had a DUI once before, and people have called you a lush drunk once before, and you have done nothing but prove these people right. So in my eyes, it's just like this. Like what are you doing, Karen? Like, you can't do anything at this point but take responsibility for your actions. And that is something that you're not trying to do. And you're proving people right by the deflecting that you're doing and the things that, you chose to do to, take the light off of what you've done. You know what I mean? You did it though, Karen, and you just gotta, take that and just leave it be, to be honest. Like there's really no need for you to sit up here and act like you don't know what's going on or what's happening. Like there's really no need for that. You just got to take your lick and keep it pushing. That's all you can really do, honestly, because it's not looking good for you to be walking around here acting like you don't know what's up. Like I said before, once they smell that alcohol on you, it was a done deal for you, baby. It was a done deal for you, and there was really nothing else that you could do and nothing else that could have been done to stop you. You feel what I'm saying? So that's all I really got on that. So what are your thoughts on Miss Karen about her case being denied, and what do you think is going to happen to her moving forward? I'm going to let you guys discuss that down in the comment section. So with that being stated, this is your boy Scotty by Nature TV. Be sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, share this video, and also click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever a video drops. And if you want to follow me on any form of social media, my Twitter, my Instagram, and my TikTok will be down below. With that being said, you guys, I am out of here, y'all, and I will leave you guys with Bando and Alonda the Blonde with Don't Sweat. Bye, y'all.
Don't shake your ass, booty acting up. Don't grab your drinks, maybe pass the Dutch. Damn, shorty bad, looking bad as fuck. Don't sweat it, ain't no competition, I said it. Don't exist to the beef, motherfucker, I did it. Pull up, knock your corns like Mario. Couldn't slip me do 100 miles of cardio. Damn. You niggas stay faking, you niggas stay hating, you niggas so basic. You felt the win, so don't test me, nigga. My team lethal weapon, Joe Pesci, nigga. They hate to see me win, so I cause them frustration. Haters hear my name, so I give them penetration. Bro, running this race on you fucking lanes. Spin the block, Debo, bitch, sucking chain. Bam.
Nigga hot. Don't sweat. Don't stop. Don't sweat. Nigga hot.